Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of NeuroNation app. You will click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find NeuroNation app. And you will click here. And then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.